help you guys, but I guess not appreciated. I don't know.
Alright, here we got the largest selection of used outboards, anywhere from 3.5s all the way to 50s, 30s, 200s. We got 75s, 150s. That's a 225 4-stroke. We even got propane engines, and if you need, we'll repower your boat. Alright, go ahead and cut everything out. Everything's all clean, ready to go. Go ahead and put the switches here. Simrad's gonna go in here, flush mount with the stereo system. Richie has to go back here. The VHF is going here. New trim tabs, new gauges. Still have to go ahead and fix all this wiring in here.
Ready?
Wait. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and flush mount this Simrad over here with the stereo system. We got the switch panel over here. We got cigarette lighter here, 2 cigarette lighters. We got USB chargers. Then we're going to go ahead and put the new system in. This is a Simrad, new display. We got the VHF. It's going to go ahead in here, as you see. Stereo system in as well. We're going to go ahead and be placed over there.